This is my 2013 Honda Civic SI, and I think the Honda Civics, not the SI specifically, I think Honda Civics just in general are the edge. Gents came with 210 horsepower. It came with the legendary K24 motor that is bulletproof, no turbos, 7,000 RPM, redline, and this thing is a blast. This one is pretty much stock, no suspension tune. It's got an exhaust, but it sounds amazing. Own a couple Civics, quite a bit, a lot more than I'd like to admit. And I keep coming back to this platform because they're just that good. They are reliable, they do what they're supposed to do, and it runs even when you're not supposed to. They're easy to maintain. The Civic is fast, it's engaging, it's enjoyable, and when VTEX kicks in, it's a really nice car. There's a lot of special cars out there, a lot of really nice cars, a lot of expensive cars out there that are quicker, nicer, more luxurious, that are maybe even better sports cars than this. But I think if you're on a budget, if you are trying to keep the cost low and have a car that won't break the bank, that will start up every time, get you to where you want to be, looks relatively nice for the age, I get this. People online have done tons of stuff. They've turboed them, they've beat the shit out of them, taking them on track. These cars, these are it. These are the car. You can't fault that.
My car has 272,000 kilometers. 272,000 kilometers in a German car, you start to get a little worried, but this one never skips a beat. This is one of the reasons why Honda has been notoriously reliable, because they require very little maintenance to keep them running. Very few things go wrong. Like I said, you can beat on them, track them, daily them, not maintain them as much as all the other cars, and they just keep running. The K-series parts are everywhere. They've been simple, proven Honda engineering, cheap maintenance, and no surprise, 3,000 in repairs will keep this running very, very long. And we've only spent about $1,000 to get this car right where it needs to be right now. Oil changes are roughly $60 to $80. Clutch is way cheaper. I bought a new clutch for about $250. Replacing the clutch isn't as complicated. It does need a bit of work. You have to drop the subframe to get the clutch changed, but it does get done fairly easy in my opinion, and you're on your way. When I drive my M3, I pray nothing breaks. When I drive the SI, I just drive, I enjoy, I accelerate on back roads. It's not as fun and engaging as the M3, but it is fun. It sounds good with the exhaust on it. It feels nice, and it drives really, really well. 2013 SI averages around 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway and 10 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on the city. I concur. I see everywhere near that, sometimes a little bit better depending on how much I pace myself. If you're not redlining the car, it sips fuel. When you do redline it, VTEC hits, your heart rate doubles, and somehow the car still doesn't empty your wallet. It's also insanely easy to daily. Light clutch, smooth shifter, predictable power, small enough for city driving, parking in tight streets, and maneuvering the busy streets of downtown Toronto. This is the rare car that can be fun and practical. Not many cars can be that in 2025. Many people think the SI is a toy for young kids or kids in high school. If you know, you know. It's not really a toy. It hauls your life around. Full trunk, rear seats if you get the 4-door. You do have rear seats with the 2-door coupe like mine, but not very practical for adults. You can fit kids back there, but not the best for grown-up people to go on long trips. Fold down seats in the back for big items, road trip friendly, daily driver, and Costco friendly runs. You can go to work, pick up groceries, hit a twisty road, and still carry all your gear in the car. Now, just closing off the real reason that people buy the SI. The steering is sharp, the shifter, not the best in the world, but still really good in my opinion. The engine, K-Series magic, reliable, tested, proving. The LSD actually lets you pull the car out of corners. It's not about big horsepower. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Slow cars sometimes make cars more enjoyable, more engaging, faster, feel faster. and most importantly, easy to drive, understand, and learn. This one is all of those things, and I'm not saying it's slow. It's fast for what it is. You can rev it out on a normal road without instantly doing like 200 kilometers per hour. You feel everything the car is doing. It's engaging in a way more than turbo cars and automatic shifters aren't. This is the kind of car that reminds you why you fell in love with driving. And because of this exhaust that I put on it, I get to enjoy it a little bit more. This is a car that I think I'll keep coming back to. Good for track days, good for daily driving, and super, super cheap. For those who know, I hope you're enjoying yours. I'm going to continue enjoying mine for now.